Looking to duplicate a page in Elementor without disrupting your design? In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can easily copy any page and maintain consistency across your site. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Start by opening your browser and logging into your WordPress admin panel. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the left-hand sidebar, click on Pages, and then choose All Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages you've created. But hold on. Before proceeding, go to the sidebar, click on Plugins, and then select Add New. In the search bar, type in Duplicate Page and press Enter. Find the plugin titled Duplicate Page, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, return to Pages and click on All Pages again. Now, when you hover over any page, you'll see a new option called Duplicate This. To copy, say, your example page, simply click Duplicate This, and a new draft will appear in the list. To make changes, just click Edit on the duplicated page. You can update its name, and the permalink will automatically adjust to match the new title. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a page in Elementor, making it easy to keep your content consistent across your website. This feature is perfect if you want to reuse the same layout and design for multiple pages without rebuilding it from scratch. Just like this, if you're ready to make your web designing job a breeze, Elementor is the way to go. I personally use it. Grab it via my affiliate link and let your creativity soar. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.